Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make an image smaller on Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Now create your own document or open your existing document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I make image smaller on this document. At first, you have to go insert menu. Then click image option. Then click upload from computer. Now select your image, then click open. Now you can see I insert this image. Now I make this image smaller. At first you have to select this image, then go to image option. Now you can see here, now you can see here are many options. Now I choose size and rotation option. Click this size and rotation. Now you can see here are size, white size and height size. Now I decrease this white size. Now you can see I make an image smaller in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.